Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medchem Companion channel. Today in this session we will discuss why aluminum chloride acts as a Lewis acid. We have studied Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. There we have seen already aluminum chloride catalyze those reactions. So why this aluminum chloride behaves as a acid catalyst? Why? We will try to find out the answer in this session. So in order to answer this question, first we need to have electronic configuration of aluminum. So here is the aluminum atom. It have 13 electrons. So here is the electronic configuration of this aluminum, and its last orbital, third orbital, you can see here, 3s orbital has 2 electrons, but 3p orbital only has 1 electron. So the electronic configuration of this third orbital is necessary to understand this concept. So here is the ground state of aluminum atom, and this 3s orbital has 2 electron. So these are the 2 electron, and this 3p orbital only has single electron. So this is the single electron. So every orbital gets 2 electron. Maximum capacity they can intake is 2. So here 3p orbital, 3px1 orbital only has single electron, whereas 3py and 3pz, they are completely vacant. Now in the excited state, the shuffling of electron takes place. So the 1 electron from this third orbital excited and transferred into p orbital. So in this way, the 2 electron of this third orbital get excited into and shifted to the p orbital. So still now this 3pz orbital still remains vacant. So what happened under this excited state, this s orbital and this 2p orbital, they together hybridize, and after hybridization they together form 3 sp2 orbital. So this is the 3 sp2 orbital, and in this 3 sp2 orbital they only contain only a single electron, and still this 3pz orbital of aluminum still remain vacant. Now this 3 sp2 orbital required single electron so that its octet can be completed. So where this single electron come from? So here is the another atom, chlorine. Chlorine has electronic configuration of 17 electron like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. So in chlorine atom, the last third orbital, 3s orbital has fully occupied its 2 electron, but the 3p orbital, 3px has its 2 electron, 3py also has its 2 electron, but 3pz orbital has only single electron. So this chlorine need 1 electron to complete its octet, and here this aluminum sp2 hybridized 3 orbital required a single electron. So definitely 3 chlorine atom combined with this sp2 hybridized orbital, and 3 chlorine atom share their electron to this sp2 hybridized orbital and completes the octet. So in this way, the chlorine atom electron is transferred to this sp2 orbital. So in this way, the formation of this aluminum trichloride takes place. But we has to remember here that still here remains a vacant vacant or empty p orbital, 3p z. So the capacity of this 3pz orbital is to take 2 electrons. So any species which can donate its 2 electron to this AlCl3, then this AlCl3 remains ready to accept those 2 electrons. And according to Lewis, the definition of acid is that Lewis acid are electron acceptor. So any species or any atom which can easily donate its lone pair of electron to this AlCl3, it always ready to accept those electron. That's why AlCl3 is called a Lewis acid. During reaction, it always accept the electron from the reaction intermediate or reaction reagent and catalyze those reaction. But how this aluminum trichloride catalyze those reaction, we will see in the next session.